what they want, and then Gene will give his input. He'll say, well, you know what, that's all well and good, but you know, consider this, do maybe this. So there's a little bit of artistic collaboration that goes on between the owners and the customizers. You know, because sometimes the customizers will see something a little different than the owners do, and the owners might not think about certain things. Or giving them the 50 cent tour. Giving them the 50 cent tour. I know I'm not doing it the way you do it. So.
Sure, dude. It's yours. We're going, man.
Thank you.
That's a present from Kick the Can to you.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
We'll put it in my museum.
Awesome.
We go look right now. Fast. Digital.
Oh. You like a photo?
Well, it's a Saturday night at the old dance hall. We're balling a jack and having a ball. Well, the cats will pick him up and then they lay him down. The music starts, I really dig that sound. Everybody's moving tonight. Everybody's moving and everybody's feeling just right. Everybody's moving tonight.
Neon over here. The glass windows. You know, fix it up a little bit for my show.
Well, you grab your girl with all of your might.
This part take a long time.
Well, you hug her once and kiss her twice.
Little by little, one bedroom and then another bedroom.
And then you'll tell her what she means to you. And then you're ready to pop the blues. Everybody's moving tonight. Everybody's moving and everybody's feeling just right. Everybody's moving, everybody's grooving tonight.
You're probably a hot rodder if you ever describe somebody by the car they drive, not by their description. You know John, he's the guy with the 38 that's yellow and it's all tubbed out and it's got a big block in it.
Perfect.
You've ever bought or sold a car without an engine? Or a registration for that matter.
Oh, yeah.
Or if you've ever bought a registration without a car.
Oh, yeah. I think I have that frame still.
Years ago I was there in the service, but I fly to Tokyo and then Nagoya.
Nagoya, yeah.
Nagoya, then I drive from Nagoya up to Yokohama for the Bunai show.
Oh, Bunai show, yeah.
Yeah, 5 times.
5 times?
5 times, yeah. They wanted me to come again this year, but I said no, next year we go.
Next year. じゃあインタビューしようかな。なんか Right. I got the picture. So, kind of basic question.
Okay.
We have to know, but 50s. So you start the paint work 1940.
Well, my first shop was 1946.
1946
1946.
in California.
Yes, in Modesto, California. Modesto, California. 1946. Then I started. First, I was building hot rods and
Oh, you was
engines.
a building.
Building hot rods and building flathead engines. Porting and relieving and putting cams and hopping up special flathead engines.
So you studied by yourself or
Oh
you?
yeah, by myself.
Everything.
Oh yeah, everything. And then little by little I started doing body work. You know, they wanted me to mold off a hood or a trunk, and so I started doing that. And then more and more got into the custom, and then less of the lights.
カスタムが、その1年ごとにいろんなブランドから毎年モデルが出てくるじゃないですか。
毎年変わってたもん
ね、毎年変わってたの。それで自分が例えばね、オートモービルのそのパーツをフォードの縁にくっつけたらもっとかっこいいんじゃねえかみたいなことで結構それで遊んでたところ
でもそれがスタイルになったら
それそうやって学んでた。
Oldsmobile Model 98s, and that's because their wheelbase is like 1 inch off of the factory Mercury.
今もでも
Yes.
その 50s スタイルで一応
Custom car field is going up,
Looking at the moment.
continually going up. Some of the older people that have hot rods, now they're selling their hot rods and they're building a custom so they can take their family or people in the car